In a significant development, a court in Madurai has awarded death sentence to 9 cops,
9 cops, all the way to death penalty. That's rare.
including an inspector of police in the sensational father-son custodial death by torture case in Satankulam in southern Tamil Nadu.
You won't believe the kind of stuff that happened during the lockdown. Absolute abuse of power.
The case dates back to 2020 during the corona lockdown time, and the father and son, Jairaj and Phoenix, were taken to custody by the police for allegedly keeping their shop open well beyond the lockdown prescribed working hours. And they were taken to the Satankulam police station where they were stripped and tortured the whole night. And then they were taken to the Kovilpatti sub jail. Despite severe injuries, including rectal bleeding, the doctor recommended their boarding in the sub jail. But 2 days later, one after the other, the father and son died. And it was the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court which took up this case on its own and ordered a CBI probe. And not a single cop was granted bail all through this trial period. The inspector has been also fined a 15 lakh rupee penalty, and the court has said anything less than death sentence in this case will not do justice.
This is how a system can work when it actually matters.
One cop died during the trial, and now all 9 cops have been convicted and given death sentence. And a crucial evidence by a woman cop who was present during that night in the police station that became very crucial. There were also other.
Hats off to this lady. Probably the only reason this case even moved.
There were also other evidences in terms of the CCTV footage. The court today observed that, but for the court on its own taking up the matter, truth would have been buried. The court also has observed that it's a clear case of abuse of authority, and any government employees drawing salary from public money cannot cite stress or anxiety as a reason.
No excuses. Power doesn't give immunity. Every system employee must be held accountable like this.
And human rights defenders welcome this punishment. In fact, they point out that it was the tough stance taken by the court by denying bail for all the 9 accused cops that gave the courage to witnesses to depose before the court in Madurai. In Chennai,
Wow.
with Suresh, San Daniel, Find TV.
Finally, justice done properly. The Tamil Nadu court here should be an example for the entire legal system in India. Courage, accountability, consistency, these are the lessons to take away.